Warmer weather means home renovation season is getting underway, and with it comes some home improvement scams as well. But a Guelph tech startup is behind a platform that's building trust during the home reno process. CTV's Spencer Turcotte explains.
This is Clara Street here in Guelph.
Up the steps to one of Quentin Sillingle's renovation projects.
Here we had to bring in gas lines and water lines.
The landlord and real estate agent has several rental properties. He knows all too well how quickly home improvements can go south.
I've had clients who have been defrauded,
leaving people with unfinished projects and empty pockets.
Some of these stories are hundreds of thousands of dollars that you're getting into because the costs have gone up.
But a Made in Guelph app is looking to build trust between clients and contractors.
To see all the different projects that you've completed. There's our kitchen.
Here's how it works. Bidmii allows people to explain what work they want done in the app. Contractors bid on the project and offer quotes. Potential clients then get to ask contractors questions, and once they find a good match, money for that job is put in a trust account. That's where it sits until a client is satisfied with the job. Then, the funds are released.
We've also got purchase verified ratings and reviews. So these are reviews that cannot be faked, right? Because we're holding the funds in trust. We know which projects are getting done and which ones aren't.
Company co-founder John Christensen says the app adds greater protection and transparency for all parties.
The homeowner rates the contractor and the contractor rates the homeowner. And that's part of ensuring that everybody is playing nicely in the sandbox.
Quentin says he's seen the benefits play out with his own projects.
We had one small issue where he happened to be cleaning out his the grout water. Spilt it outside, actually behind us here, and it went underneath that fence onto the neighbor's driveway.
Thanks to the app holding everyone accountable, Quentin says the contractor corrected the problem rather quickly.
They were back within the hour, apologized to the neighbor, cleaned everything up, came back to me and said, "We're so sorry."
Something he's never seen before, an app helping cut down on concerns of being scammed, so you can focus on everything else that could go wrong with a renovation project. Spencer Turcotte, CTV News, Guelph.